Hi everyone, here we've got a HTC Desire 12 Plus, and let me show you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example using the dialer, and now let's find the contact you want to edit. Let's tap on it, choose this pencil icon, it should be right in the middle, and now let's tap on this camera icon right here. Now you can either take a photo, and after tapping on this option your device will open the camera app, or simply choose a photo from your gallery. So let me pick choose a photo. Let's tap on the one you want to use. And from this step we can adjust the size of this square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact. Of course, here you can rotate the picture, so it's really up to you how you want to set it. Let me leave it like this, for example. And if you're happy with the results, tap on done. As you can see, it is immediately applied on our contact. Remember to tap on save right here. And as you can see, it is applied. And let's check, it is also visible on our contact list, and you will be able to see it while all incoming calls from that number. So that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your HTC Desire 12 Plus. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.